advancing justice through protection and advocacy. A student is no longer covered under the Individuals with Disabilities Act, or IDEA, when they complete high school or when they turn 22 years of age, whichever comes first. Students and parents should be preparing for these young adult years when the child is still in middle or high school. Setting goals helps guide the child towards the path that they will take. Upon finishing high school or aging out of IDEA, individuals with disabilities have several options for continued services, and it is important to know these legal rights and the agencies that provide these services. Options can include vocational schools, job training programs, colleges, and universities. Once you are enrolled in college, if you want to receive an academic adjustment or ensure that you are assigned to accessible facilities, then you must notify the school of your particular need as a student with a disability. Unlike your school district, your post-secondary school is not required to identify you as having a disability or to assess your needs. The college may not charge students with disabilities more for participating in its programs or activities than students who do not have disabilities. If the academic adjustment is not working, inform the school immediately that you are not seeing the results you expected. You and the school should work together to find a solution. If you believe the school is discriminating against you, contact the person that coordinates the school's compliance with federal and state disability law. Another path for an individual who is no longer enrolled in high school and is a person with a disability is to enter a vocational rehabilitation or VR services program. A person must apply and be determined eligible for vocational rehabilitation services. Once an individual is eligible for vocational rehabilitation services, the individual and their representative develops an individualized plan for employment. An individual seeking vocational rehabilitation services has three options. 1. Self-employment, creating your own business. 2. Integrated employment, refers to jobs held by people with disabilities in a workplace setting where the majority of employees are not persons with disabilities. They earn at least a minimum wage and are paid directly by their employer. 3. Supported employment, refers to people with disabilities who need lifelong ongoing support. Most supported employment candidates receive community-based services that include a vocational assessment, job placement, and provide job skills training. Vocational rehabilitation services are intended to empower individuals with disabilities to make informed choices about their careers. The Disability Rights Center of the Virgin Islands is the federally mandated and funded protection and advocacy corporation for the U.S. Virgin Islands. The Disability Rights Center advocates for the rights of people with a wide range of physical and mental disabilities and provides training and information that promotes the health, education, and welfare of the disability community.